Once upon a time, in a city filled with towering buildings and buzzing cars, lived a curious little girl named Maya. Maya loved stories, especially those about faraway lands and magical creatures. But her favourite place to find adventure wasn't in a book. It was right outside her window, the mysterious playground. The playground was a tangle of slides, swings, and climbing structures, all painted in bright colours. It was a place where imagination took flight, and anything was possible. But Maya's mom worried about scraped knees and broken bones. She often told Maya, "Stay inside, dear. It's safer there." One sunny afternoon, Maya couldn't resist the playground siren call any longer. She snuck out the back door, her heart pounding with excitement and a tinge of guilt. As she entered the playground, the world transformed. The swings became pirate ships sailing on stormy seas. The climbing frame morphed into a dragon's scaly back, soaring through fluffy clouds. Suddenly, a group of children appeared, dressed in mismatched costumes. They were pirates, astronauts, and even a brave knight. They welcomed Maya into their games, and together they embarked on a grand quest to rescue a princess trapped in a sandcastle tower. Maya forgot all about her worries. She climbed, she slid, she swung, her laughter echoing through the air. She learned to balance on a wobbly bridge, made friends with a shy boy named Leo, and even discovered a secret garden hidden behind a willow tree. As the sun began to set, casting long shadows on the playground, Maya knew it was time to go home. She said goodbye to her new friends, her heart full of joy and her pockets full of treasures. A smooth pebble, a feather she'd by a robin, and a friendship bracelet Leo had made for her. Back home, Maya couldn't help but tell her mum all about her adventures. To her surprise, her mum's eyes sparkled with delight. "I wish I had played in playgrounds like that when I was a child," she said. "I'm so glad you had such a wonderful time, Maya." From that day on, Maya and her mom visited the playground often. They built sandcastles, chased butterflies, and even had picnics under the shade of the willow tree. The playground was no longer just a place to play. It was a place where Maya learned, grew, and discovered the magic hidden within herself. So remember, children just like Maya, the greatest adventures aren't always found in books or on screens. They're waiting for you right outside your door in the mysterious magical world of the playground. So go out, explore, and let your imagination take flight.